the truth is, to find a winning product, you don't need to reinvent the wheel. Dozens of products are being tested every day in the whole world. And now with Minor, you can now know which ones are going to be a hit. Now you're probably wondering how. Well, to put it simply, it's by spying on their ads. If an ad has a lot of engagement, views, likes or shares, then it means somebody is putting money on this ad. And if they're putting money on it, it means it's profitable for them. So Minor takes that ad and stores it on our database, ready for you to find. And if you're serious about dropshipping, then the fact is, not a single ad should slip through the net. And that's why with Minor, we've created the biggest base of ads across the world, giving you access to all the winning products exploding on Facebook, TikTok, and even Pinterest. But enough talk, because I'm more excited to actually show you how it works and how you're going to be able to find and launch a winning product in a matter of minutes. So let's take a look. Alright, so here we are on the Minor dashboard. After you've registered for an account or logged in, this is the page you'll be met with. And straight away, you'll be met with curated ads featuring 10 of the top current winning products across 3 different platforms: Facebook ads, TikTok, and Pinterest ads. These are all actual ads running pretty much in real time, and without even having to open the ad and go further, you'll have the ability to watch the ad and view some basic stats, such as the amount of comments, likes, and shares that the ad's been given so far. But we're going to come back to these auto-generating top winning products a little later. First, I want to show you the real power of this platform, and one of the main areas it lies in is its filtering abilities. So on the left of the page, you'll see the main navigation menu. From here, you can specifically search through the different platforms and allow you to see which winning products are being advertised on which platforms. Now, let's take a look at Facebook ads. Straight away, you're served with hundreds of different ads currently running on Facebook platform, but let's start filtering to really find that winning product. So we can go ahead and expand the filtering system. And this filtering system is probably one of the most advanced you'd ever come across. Now, the first thing we want to do is find a winning product that's still current. So I'm going to set the creation date to within the last 30 days. And because we're focused on dropshipping, let's select Shopify as our e-commerce platform, meaning the ads which will show up are those that have been advertised on Shopify. Plus, because we're looking specifically for a product, we're going to search for ads with the CTA of Shop Now. And let's change the media type to video. However, it's not 100% necessary. Now, as you can see, we keep it very basic by applying only 4 different filters. However, you can easily go further by filtering down through the type of demographic the ad is attracting, whether that's by age, sex, country, or even the language, plus a bunch of other useful filters. But now, as you can see, Minor is now showing us those exact ads we asked for. But currently, they're completely unsorted, and we don't want to be scrolling through thousands of ads. So we're going to use the last filter, which is a game changer. And it's going to save us so much time. And that's the ability to sort the ads in a way that we want them to show up. Now, I'm going to sort by shares, as the more shares something has, usually the more viral it's going and the more successful the product could be. Okay, perfect. All right, so right now in front of us, we have our winning products. Again, you can view the videos to see the type of creative that was used in order to gain such amazing reactions. And below that, you can see how many shares, likes, and comments the product has, along with when the ad was launched and when Minor last saw the ad. So let's take a look at what we've got. All right, so let's take this seat cushion as an example. It seems to have been performing great with a ton of shares, comments, and likes. So let's click on it and get some more data. Now, first up, let's work from the top down. From the top, you can see the title they use for the ad, plus the shop name which is actually running the ad. Below that, we have the video itself, and you also have the ability to watch the video again or even download the ad if you like. then to the right of the video, we have the copy, which was used to attract the buyers. Further down, we have the specific number of likes, comments, and shares. And below that, we have an engagement graph. This lets us see how the traction was on a day-to-day basis. So it seems that possibly for the first couple of days, they were just testing it to see how it would perform, before then spending some money to market the ad and watched it blow up. Next, we can view the demographic of viewers that the ad's attracting, and below that, we can see a list of the links in which the owner of the ad forwarded the interested shoppers to. So, we found a winning product, but the magic of Minor doesn't stop there, because that's just the beginning. Now, let's say you want to find out if this shop is running any other ads. Simply hit the ads from the same shop button and you'll be shown. And there you go. We can see that they are indeed running more ads on Facebook. We can see which ones are performing better than others and the different creatives they're using. So, like I said at the beginning of this video, we don't need to reinvent the wheel, as we can see the different creatives and copies which is working for this shop. Therefore, we can just tweak it a bit and make it our own. So it basically takes out all of the guesswork, because these shops are already testing multiple ads for you, and you can see the results in practically real time, meaning you're already one step ahead of this shop, for example, because you don't need to spend a ton of money on different creatives and testing them. But now, maybe you want to know whether this shop is advertising on other platforms other than Facebook. Well, the good news is Minor can tell us that too, simply by analyzing their whole shop. Now, we can flick between Facebook, TikTok, and Pinterest to see what kinds of ads they're running. And yep, they are indeed running ads for the same product across every platform. Also, from the shop information, you'll get easier to digest information about each platform regarding how many ads they currently have running and which platforms they're running the most ads on. So it looks like they favored Facebook in this situation and completely disregarded TikTok. But okay, you might be thinking, all right, I found a winning product. However, now I have to go and spend a ton of time searching AliExpress to see if it's there. Well, no, because Minor has already done that. On every ad, you'll have a search on AliExpress option, which Minor can search using the product image and then serve you all the different places you can purchase it on AliExpress. This alone, I think we can both agree, is just wow. Now, on the basic membership, when you first register, you'll only have access to Facebook ads. However, let me quickly show you how it can work exactly the same on the other platforms too. So, let's take a look at Pinterest, as honestly, Pinterest as a platform is something that's completely overlooked by dropshippers. But the fact is, Pinterest shoppers have massive intent to purchase, as they're not going on the platform just to scroll. Alright, so again, let's expand the filter options, and we're going to search for ads within the last 30 days again. E-com type, we're going to use Shopify, and this time we'll search by country. So let's go for the big 4 English-speaking countries, which are the US, the UK, Canada, and Australia. And finally, let's sort by pins. Alright, again, we're served with top performing ads which are current on Pinterest right now. And again, we can select one, view all similar information like we saw on Facebook ad version, but this time it's corresponding to Pinterest instead. And this is exactly the same process if we were to search through TikTok ads too. So, as you can see, the filter and searching abilities are just unbelievable. But again, that's not all. As normally, searching for a winning product the traditional way would mean lots of different notes in Google Docs, jotting down the product, the shop, where you can find it on AliExpress, etc., so that you can then compare them later. Well, Minor has removed that stage for you with its lists. Let me show you. Right here, if we click on lists, you can create your very own list to help you stay organized and remove things like Google Docs and all of that from your work process. So let's create a list and call it top products 2023. Okay. Now, I can click on Facebook ads, and on any of the ads, I can click add to list. Select my list, top products 2023, and there you go. We can do this across all platforms. Pinterest, we can add a couple. And TikTok, we can also add a couple. Now, if we go back to our list, you can find all of the ads you selected categorized into this one list. Again, saving you a ton of time and effort. Now, one of the last features I want to show you in this video, but not one of the last features Minor has to offer, because honestly, there's still so much more you can do with this platform that's yet to be shown. But let's say you're feeling a little lazy and you can't be bothered to click the few buttons it takes to search and filter the results you want to find winning products. Well, that's no problem, because again, Minor has got you covered. Let me show you. Now, if we go back to our list and take a look at the bottom of the page, you'll see that Minor AI creates monthly winning product lists of 100 items across each individual platform. For example, let's select TikTok. Now, you're going to be served with top winning products, still with the ability to sort if you wish, but if we scroll down, you can see some of these products and just the amount of plays they've had, let alone the shares and likes too. This is a monthly feature that Minor AI software provides its users every single month. It's incredible. And like I said, you can view the top 100 Facebook ads, TikTok, or even Pinterest to see what's winning this very month. Now, if you've just become a member, you may not have access to all of these features and networks yet, but let me explain the different plans you can take advantage of. Now, first things first, you need to understand that Minor was created by dropshippers like me for dropshippers like you, which I'm sure you've seen during this video, as literally every single thing has been thought about in this platform. But of course, as a beginner dropshipper, we understand what it means to have a tight budget, and trying to stretch it across all the different tools you want to try is tough. That's why you have a light plan. This is completely free of charge and allows you access to Facebook ads and influencer marketing. So you can still do some amazing things and find winning products without needing to pay a cent. However, it does only come with 500 credits worth of searching, so it may not be enough for continued use, but this plan was created in order for you to really get a feel for the platform and see whether it's the perfect option for you. Otherwise, moving up, you have the more popular plan, which is the starter plan. This offers more credits so you can really use the platform to the best of its abilities. However, it only gives you access to Facebook ads and influencer marketing again. But this is not a major negative, as Facebook ads is the largest and most valuable database anyway. Then lastly, we have the premium plan, and as you can probably guess, this includes absolutely everything. No restrictions on any of the features, just purely numerous winning products. Fantastic. You watched my video till the end. I've just shown you the main features of Minor that will help you find your winning product. But stay tuned, because in a little while, I'll show you more videos and send you emails to show you more in depth of my precise method to finding winning products, do complete product testing and perform in dropshipping. So that's it. If you've got any questions whatsoever, then feel free to reach out to me. Otherwise, I 100% recommend going to check out some of our other videos if you're interested in some advanced product research. Thanks for watching again, and I'll see you next time.